Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me again, Mersan, and it's our YouTube channel, which is Mersan and John. Don't forget to leave comments and like, and don't forget also to subscribe if you wanted some advices and tips in LDR, couple, or anything as long as it's couple. It's also good for a couple who's indeed not LDR and for LDR. In this channel, we will talk about the hardship or some tips and advices for LDR couples who's fighting for the relationship or having a misunderstanding. So our topic for today's video is how to deal misunderstanding. Since last night or last 2 days, we've been in a misunderstanding or we've been in an argument, which is dealing something over mature. Kasi I just wanted to have a video call, and then since he is the person that he don't want to disrupt his mother, or somewhat like he want to low-key a relationship. Not totally low-key because his mom already know me and already have a FaceTime with me. But since I don't know which iwan ko na lang talaga yung anong mood niya today's video. Charis. Kasi nakakagulat din kasi yun. Hindi na nakakagulat kasi since ever we've been in a relationship, gano'n na talaga siya. Pag feeling niya hindi siya gwapo, parang may insecurity yata to. Pag hindi siya gwapo hindi talaga niya i-answer. But since sometimes I pursue, na whatever your situation is, if ever messy ka naman o hindi, pangit ka man or gwapo ka ngayon for today's video, is okay lang naman. For since I already know him and already accept what his physical form or anything, or even behavioral, I already know. And then ngayon, tatalakayin natin ngayon is how to handle the LDR that's such difference, because as long as time goes by, talagang nakikita natin yung totoong ugali ng tao kahit hindi pa natin sila nakikita. Yes, sinasabi nila na mas nakikilala mo yung tao kapag na-meet up mo na or we've been live together. Yeah, meron talaga. But since we're still in LDR, so I will share it with you how I handle, because hindi perket babae tayo ay okay lang. Oh, I understand. Oh, I really appreciate. Oh, understand. No. Kasi he will parang nagkakaroon siya ng mindset na okay lang yan, okay lang hindi natin ganuhin, okay lang hindi natin itrato ng ganyan. No. Kasi yeah, we're precious as jewel girls. Charis. Kasi nagkakaroon kami ng misunderstanding, not totally misunderstanding that ruin talaga yung relationship or something. It's just a little misunderstanding that it really train yourself to be a woman who didn't listen on her dictation, and to be a woman with mindset. The advices that I will give it to you, we have 3 advices for how to handle misunderstanding or a situation. But since it's just not too big issues or big arguments, so how to handle little misunderstanding. So first and foremost, una mong is kapag nagkaka-misunderstanding kayo, wag mo na muna siyang i-chat. Yeah, wag mo na siyang i-chat. Wag kang matakot. Alam mo naman na you are already been 2 years or 1 year. So, wag mo na siyang i-chat kasi like now, hindi ko siya chinat. And then, yeah, he chatted me. Like, tad yun ang chat. And then, kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, is the power of silence, because kapag nalaman niya sa silence na to ay talagang ma-understood niya na yeah, she's mad on me. Yeah, he will pursue you as a girl na Pilipina, so you will stay in put, sitting pretty ka lang doon, wag kang todo chat ng chat, kasi parang na-feel niya love na love ako ng girl na to, love na mo, she is in love with me, she is so, what do you call this, yung kinakanta ng obsessed yun. Parang na-feel nila, oh, obsessed tong babae ito. So yeah, I didn't feel that I'm so over-obsessed. Like, ginawa niya noong when because I am a student teacher in Kasate, and then, I'm so busy at that time. So, parang na-feel niya na like, I'm so distant on him. So, na-feel niya. So, he chatted on me. Oh, why you should distance with me? Alat. And then, oh, really? I thought you didn't find me because you're busy at work. But yeah, silence means a lot talaga. Kapag nasa-silence ka, pinupursue ka talaga ng tao. And then, he just asked me if something happened, what happened, something like that. So, it's very, it makes the conversation long because sometimes yung kakagising mo lang dito tapos sa kanyang bansa matutulog na siya. Sounds like time gap is really it's really one of the what do you call this, the boundary of a relationship. Yeah, hindi ba pwedeng, oh, wag ka muna matulog kasi super tired niya, besh, tapos ayaw mong patulogin. So, you need to be understandable, JF. Or he will tell you, you're crazy, o, diba? Parang need mo lang i-understand. But yeah, since busy siya sa work and then he chatted a little, so yeah, why do you do the same? I also vice versa, no? So he chatted me a little, so I will chatted him a little. So after that, he just confused. He is so. After that, I call because I sometimes because he didn't really want to call, but I'm the one who's a girl who love calling, so I call. And then miraculously he answered. And then yeah, he saw my student teachers, he saw my class my co-student teachers around, and then yeah, he took me see, and yeah, I'm not ashamed that he will see my co-student teachers because yeah, it's proof that I didn't cheat or I didn't make anything that ruin our relationships. And then yeah, he feels so awkward and then he feels so shy at that time. But since we talk about, and then yeah, we build the cold relationship too far, so we will flirt, and then sometimes I do jokes. So yeah, I made him laugh. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Maybe it's part of me that I make that's the thing that he wanted because I can make him laugh. But since yeah, yeah. But since I do things that he do to me, so yun. It's equal lang. So ngayon, diba, one tips is silence means a lot. Number 2 tips is don't gamitin nyo yung Facebook mo, ipakita mo sa My Day mo, ipakita mo sa post mo na you are not controllable, or mas makikita mo yung pagiging independent woman mo doon, pretty mo sa My Day mo, pretty mo din sa mga pinapost mong pictures, para naman makita niya, yeah, girl, I'm doing well without you. I'm doing good without you. So I feel niya, oh, so that's why it is the door na pupuntahan ka niya, or something like he will chat, and then yeah, it's like a power. Yeah, girl power. Like, first tip is, diba, silence means a lot. And then second tips is improve yourself or be a woman independent. Wow, women independent! It is girls empowerment na lang. So, girls empowerment. Para makita niya nga, yeah, I'm totally fine without you.
So, dito kayo tutuloy yung sinabi kong last three. Last three is, dapat wala kang pake. Kapag mayroon kayo misunderstanding, dapat wala kang pake, girl. Dahil kung wala kang pake, so, it means, tampo mo, suyo mo. Kaya, yeah, i-practice mo no yung wala ka ng pake kapag nagtatampo ka. kasi hindi yan sila nagsusuyo. So, yun lang po yung tips ko sa mga misunderstanding sa LDR, and I hope na may na-learn kayo and then may makuha kayo na pwede nyong gawin when it comes to LDR with your fam. Bye-bye!